It's Sum time!
Awesome.
How can parrots talk like humans?
Oh.
'Cause the one and only Sum trained them. You wish. Birds like songbirds, hummingbirds, and parrots are vocal learners. They have defined centers called cores in their brain which control their vocal learning. However, only parrots can talk like humans. Why so? According to a research, this is because their brain is designed quite differently than songbirds and hummingbirds. In their brains, parrots have an additional structure, what scientists call shells or outer rings surrounding the cores. These shells are believed to help parrots to be really good at copying sounds, thus giving them the ability to talk like humans.
Hello.
In addition to this, parrots are highly sociable animals. As they crave interaction as well as attention, they start mimicking us to become a part of our flock.